Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, where I spread joy and positivity through sewing and fabric play. And in this video, I am going to unbox another box. Look at this. Yay! I love unboxing boxes. It's actually super duper fun. This is from Stash in a Flash. And yes, I covered up my address, so don't be trying to find my address. But it's from Stash in a Flash, and I'm stoked to see what's in here because I know that it is AGF, and I know that it is awesome and it's a little bit different, and I can't wait to share it with you. So if that's what you're here for, before we get into the content, anytime you're enjoying it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now let's have fun. Yay! So this box, opening it up, cute box. Aw, thank you card. It's probably to me. It's okay. I'm going to look at this later because it's personal. It's personal. But let's look in it. Da, 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 da. Okay. There's so much goodness in it that I'm dropping stuff, folks. Let's get it all out here. And out here. And out here. Whoa. One at a time. What is this? Okay. This feels like fabric. Gonna do the fabric last. This feels like fabric. This feels like fabric. Okay. Oh, folks. This right here. I've made this before. It is so super fun. Like, I love making three-dimensional stuff, and I think y'all know that I love it. But, like, this right here, it's from, it's Fabric Flair from Indigo Junction, and I love their stuff. And it comes with the pieces, and they stay in there, and you make a three-dimensional star. I gave one to Helena, and she loves it. Do you love this star that I made you?
Yep.
Yeah, so this is awesome. I'm so excited this is in there for y'all to make. So yay! And then it comes with some Aurifil. 50 weight, I think, is the, 50 weight. And this one, what color is it? I don't know. It looks like a turquoise, which is my favorite color. Like a turquoise or a teal. Oh, I love these. And then let's get into the fabric. Okay, so taking the tissue away. So this is, it looks like fat quarters, but I'll check. Oh, this is my fabric. Hey. Oh, I love it. Okay, so I'll open this. I love how it's folded. It's folded a little different. Ooh. I believe this is Maureen Cracknell's. Right here. Oh, it's beautiful. And then here's another one. I love fabric. This is my print. And it's a Sunburst Lay. Inspired by my trip with my daughter Helena to Hawaii. These are in my collection Aura. Oh, there's more. I love this. It's a papaya. And then here is, it looks like polka dot, right? This looks like polka dot, but it is two dolphins swimming around a ball. Can you see it? Really close? I don't know if it's going to zoom in, but that's what this print is. Oh, thanks for including my stuff, y'all. And here. Oh, there's more. Oh, this is all my stuff. Look at this. I didn't even know. It's a surprise. These are palm fans, and this is like a mustard colorway. Oh, this is like bringing back memories for me, folks. This right here. This print was inspired by a door that Helena stood in front of. It was a wooden carved door, and then I turned this into a design here that repeats. Oh, thank you so much for including my stuff. What's this? This is a lot of stuff. Oh my gosh, for real? Aw, this is from Love to Pieces. See, this is, I didn't know this, folks. I didn't know this. This is my Antonym print. It's the festive version. So this print right here, it has 26 different flowers, each with the name of it underneath, and it's for every letter in the English alphabet, this one is. And then, this one was inspired by my mom. It's called Laced Infinity, also from Love to Pieces. And my mom always had like crochet blankets around whenever I was a kid, and so I did this one to pay homage to her. And then what else is in here? And, oh, Look at this blender. This is not mine. I don't know whose this is unless it's on the selvage. But this is beautiful. Look at that. The crosshatch. I love this print. And this is one of the AGF blenders. It's a prism element or a prisma element. And it's an orange. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm just so honored. I'm so honored, folks, that my fabric's in this. I didn't know that my fabric was going to be in this. And it just makes me feel really special that they did this and it was a surprise. So here is this print. And these are bunches. It's love bunches. And I did 3 different bunches here of flowers. And they're all inspired by English paper piecing. So they are geometry. And it's super cool. Loved it. You can fussy cut it like this. You can fussy cut inside of it. And then this one, folks. I've chatted about this print in my unboxing of my, what is it called? My strike off. Sorry. I'm getting touched by this. But in my strike offs video, I'll card it here if you haven't seen it. But for those who don't know, my sister, Tanisha, she passed away unexpectedly 10 years ago. And, no, 12 years ago, actually. And 10 or 12, I don't know. I'm like, ah! And she was one of my family members, if not the only one that showed me unconditional love. So she meant the world to me, right? And this one, there's a backstory to it. You'll get it in if you watch that video too. But the day that my sister passed away, she passed away on July 4th, I took a plane to Houston immediately. I was living in Los Angeles, and I stopped in Phoenix, and I grabbed some rocks. They were selling like rocks randomly in the airport. And so even now, those rocks mean something to me. Like, I cherish them. Like, it's like a piece of her is in them. So I wanted to like pay homage to my sister. And this is based on like the mandala stones that you see where people put dots, like painted dots on stones. I made this one for her. So these are called mandala drops. And it really touches me that this was included in the box. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it. And it comes with a ruler from Quilting Mayhem. It's an awesome store that is up north. If you don't know Quilting Mayhem, you should check them out. I've taught a class there, and like their space is insane. So this is what's in it. This is what's in it. And then there is, and then this is what's in it. So how many back orders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fat quarters in this box. Yeah. So I needed to go look up Stash in a Flash just to understand more about it, because I remember how awesome it was. And the reason this felt so personalized for me is because that is part of their mission. It's an online service that selects quilting fabrics and notions for you based on your own unique style and preferences. So this box was specifically curated for me, and they're all about trying to help local independent shops get their name out there. That's the intent of this box, which I wholeheartedly appreciate, especially since we're seeing shops close left and right. Anything that any of us can do in the community to help get exposure to them is fabulous. So not only was this box super duper personal to me, which makes sense why, and I'm even more like, wow, thank you, Stash in a Flash. But that's the whole purpose of it. And looking in here, there's a style questionnaire, which you answer questions. I'm looking on their site. A style questionnaire, answer questions. That's how they'll know what your needs and desires are, and then they'll create a box for you. So I think this is super duper awesome, and it's novel, and that's a major differentiator. So I wanted to make sure to capture that in this video so y'all know what you were getting. So yay, Stash in a Flash, so rad. This box is pretty spectacular. And I'm not saying it because like most of it's my fabric, but I really like this. It's different. I've never seen something like this included in a box, and it's kind of magical to make, so I'm glad that they included it. And it seems fabric heavy. Aurifil is awesome. Love sewing the 3-dimensional. Thumbs up for this box. So hopefully you enjoyed my unboxing and seeing all the fabric and going down memory lane with me on some of the prints that are from my collections. And if you enjoyed this video, got a laugh or a tip or a trick, or like loved the fabric, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.